ZO7, which is pretty what the What's up, guys? Asher from Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2010 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe, and it looks awesome. White wall tires, everything's in real good shape, Vance & Hines pipes, and then got a little blue oyster caught kind of vibe going on with the mirrors. And some skulls, lots of skulls, lots of bones. Mustang seat as well. Super comfortable bike, guys. And I think I don't know, you guys might know, are these like upgraded lines? I know these are steel braided lines. Those come standard on the Softails. What's going on? All right, you guys know it. Before we get going, words of wisdom. Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1. Now faith is being sure of what we hope for and certain of what we do not see. Alright, we got some floorboards. They're really nice chrome floorboards too. I'm going to try really hard to not scrape them. Everything about this bike feels really good, guys. I rode a 2003 Softail Standard the other week, and I really liked it. I really liked it. And man, the clutch is good. This feels like, guys, this feels like a sport bike clutch. I'm serious. It just, some of these cruiser bikes coming off sport bikes, some of these cruiser bikes have, to me anyway, what feels like a pretty heavy clutch. Not this. This is like instant. It's super light. It's super light and snappy, and oh yeah, that's right. Forgot the turn signals on Harleys. It's super light, nice and snappy. It brakes. This bike brakes really well. And it just pulls off and goes, man. Did I cancel my turn signal? I hope I did. And there's the rev limiter. Nah, sorry guys. Sorry, my fault. Should have shifted before then. I know it. But it's very comfortable. Makes really good power. Yeah, like I said, the 2003 was the anniversary edition. It was the Softail Standard, and man, that was a good bike. I really liked it. I really liked it a lot. Talking to a couple buddies at work who are more into Harleys. The one guy also had like a 2001 Softail, and he regrets selling it. And he says that he's like, yeah, he really wishes he wouldn't have gotten rid of it. And I can understand why. I mean, the 03 was so good, and this is literally 100 times better than that was. This feels great. The power's awesome. It's comfortable. It's really good looking. I just can't get over, like I said, guys, I love the way this bike looks with the white wall tires, the chrome and everything. I mean, knowing me, I'm a little more rough and tumble. I would wind up not taking care of it. I'd rather just have kind of a matte finish on everything, because I'm very much kind of a just jump on the bike and ride it, and clean it if you have to. So all this chrome's not for me, but it looks incredible. It looks so good, especially sitting back here. You can see the reflection down here in the headlights and everything. Oh, it looks good. Super comfortable, great sound to it. We're gonna take it on the highway, see how it does there, but for this kind of stuff, man, this is nice. It really is, man. These big Harleys are just good. I like them. I ragged on them a lot. I ragged on them a ton. And there's really no reason to. I mean, sure, this bike's not going to out-corner my FZ07 or a sport bike, but you know what? You go on a twisty road, you go on a trip, you're still going to have fun on it. It's super naive to bash a particular type of motorcycle before you actually get a chance to ride one. And I mean, this is killer. The other thing I'm noticing, I have very short legs. I have a 30-inch inseam, and I can easily, I mean, like beyond easily, flat foot this bike. Like beyond easy. I got plenty of room to spare. So I am going to say this: if you're shorter, or you're a woman or a girl, and you're looking to move up from something like a Sportster, you want to move into like a big twin or something like that, this would be a killer option. You would not have any trouble at all touching the ground, moving it around, doing any of that stuff. And the clutch, I'm telling you guys, it's like, and that's another thing to think about too, especially if you're a woman. This clutch, you're not going to have any trouble pulling that. I'm serious. It's like, it really is. I've ridden Honda Groms that have a tougher clutch pull than that. I mean, that is just nothing. So, I mean, this would be a really, really, really excellent option if you're a woman rider, if you're a female rider, if you're maybe on the shorter side. This would be a killer option for any of those. You know, like I said, short legs, I'm having no issue hitting the controls. My legs got a nice bend to them. I actually would go so far as to say Sean's 6'3", I think. Caleb's like 6'3", 6'4". I mean, they're pretty tall guys. Sean might be 6'2". I don't know. They're both over 6 feet tall, though. I would even go so far as to say that they might be slightly cramped on this, just because of their longer legs. I mean, this is just a really nice position for where I'm at. And, I mean, the clutch pull on this just makes this whole experience that much more enjoyable. I mean, you can shift it like you would a sport bike, which, you know, I love. Okay, cool. I did turn the turn signal off. I was like, have I been riding the whole time with that on there? Okay, highway! Okay, 2010 Softail Deluxe on the highway. Let's see what we got. Woo! Man, that makes a cool sound. And that torque, the torque, oh. See, man, this is just great. The wind, it's a little bit chilly today. Come on. Woo! There we go. Man, this thing moves. That's an absurd amount of fun, guys. Oh, and I still had another gear yet, too. And is that it? Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Is this thing 5 or 6? Somebody who knows better than me. Somebody who knows better, tell me. I don't know if this is 5 or 6. I am getting hit with a lot of wind. Obviously, there's no wind protection, but whatever. Here's what it is. The way it's directing, I honestly... Hello! He's on a sport bike. The way it's being directed, if I'm being honest, I'm not getting a ton on my hands. Like, you can feel it. It's definitely chilly. But it's not the end of the world. It's a lot in my head, a lot in my chest. Throw a little windscreen on there, and I think you'd be... I'm getting it around my legs a lot, too. I don't know if it's because of the seating position or what it is, but I'm getting a ton, like, right around my calves. You really, really feel it. I mean, we are going 80. So... Oh, there's a gear indicator! I'm dumb. Hey guys, I found it. It's 6 gears. It's a 6-speed. I got it. That's really funny. This has a gear indicator. I wasn't expecting that. I also wasn't counting. Woo! Man, that wind is going right through my perforated summer boots. And my toes are cold now. Whatever. Okay, let's do a quick pull here. Let's get out. Wow, how much farther is our exit? 1 mile. Okay, let's get out and around this guy. Do a real hard pull from 6th gear. Let's go! Oh, man. So, it makes a noise and then just rips. Wow. Oh, man. Dude, I'm gonna have so much fun on one of these. Oh, big torquey motors. Torquey motors are just the best. Oh, yeah. I'd have so much fun if I owned one of these. Just ripping around, making a bunch of noise. And the clutch pull, man, it's just, I still can't get over it. Guys, it's as smooth and light as it is on my FZ07. Like, I don't know how to stress this. I can't stress this enough. It is... Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so first of all, the clutch pull, it's as light as it is on my FZ07, which is pretty... What the... Are you serious? Yeah, I'm alright. Here. No, we gotta move over. Pull over. This isn't even my bike. Yeah. Guys, before I was so rudely interrupted by breaking an SUV's mirror off with my arm. I'm kidding, she hit me. Okay, so I got about, I also realized I only got like 5 minutes left on the SD card, so we're gonna wrap this up. This is a really good bike, guys. I love this bike. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Just so you know, even though that car did hit me, it just clipped my arm. Didn't hit the bike at all. Bike's totally fine. And my arm's not even that bad. So, I love this thing. 100%, like, something like this, maybe lose the, you know, the skulls, if it was me personally. I'd own one of these. Like, hands down, no questions asked, I'd own one of these. This is a phenomenal bike, and I love it. Second Softail I've ridden that I've really, really enjoyed. One from 03, this one from 2010. Both of them just excellent, excellent motorcycles. Huge, huge fan of these bikes, guys. So, alright, I only got a couple minutes left, so we'll go ahead and wrap it up. Thanks for coming, hanging out, watching me get hit by a car. You know, pretty standard day. This bike will be for sale on the website at Srkcycles.com. Be sure to go check that out. Caleb also has a walk around video of it as well, so you can see kind of all the aesthetics in detail. But I'm telling you right now, this is a great bike. So, all right, guys, thanks for coming and hanging out. It's been fun. My name's Asher. We'll see you in the next one.
If you like that video and you want to see more of them, click on the subscribe button. And if you guys didn't know, we also have a motorcycle dealership, Srkcycles.com. We sell and ship bikes all over the country. We have one of the largest inventories in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, which probably means nothing to you because you probably don't live in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. But we have a decent amount of bikes. So check out the first link on the bottom is the website, Srkcycles, and we'll see you guys later.